I, the Lord, do not change, so you, O descendants of Jacob, are not destroyed. Ever since the time of your forefathers, you have turned away from my decrees and have not kept them. Return to me, and I will return to you, says the Lord Almighty. But you ask, how are we to return? With a man rob God, yet you rob me. But you ask, how do we rob you? In tithes and offerings you are under a curse, the whole nation of you, because you are robbing me. Bring the whole tithes into the storehouse, that there may be food in the house. Test me in this, says the Lord Almighty, and see if I will not throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessings that you will not have room enough for it. It will be prepared peace from the border, and the vines in your fields will not cast their fruits, says the Lord Almighty. Then all the nations will call you blessed, for yours will be a delightful land, says the Lord Almighty. You have said harsh things against me, says the Lord, yet you ask, what have we said against you? You have said it is futile, God. What did you gain by carrying out his requirements and going about like mourners before the Lord Almighty? But now behold, our God blessed. Certainly the evils who challenge God escape. Then those who fear the Lord talk with each other, and the Lord listened and heard. A scroll of remembrance was written in his presence concerning those who fear the Lord and honor his name. They will be mine, says the Lord Almighty, in the day when I make up my treasure possession. I will spare them just as in the passion, a man spares his son who serves him, and you will again see the distinction between the righteous and the wicked, between those who serve God and those